A wise man knows how to remove this black ring at a glance. People who can't turn their minds. He can't play for 10 or 8 years. This is called the mid-cycle. Legend has it that it was the toy that gave Cow the most headache. When he was a child, it was also carefully designed and crafted by many skilled craftsmen at that time. Most people go straight to the end of the chain the first time they solve it. The result is that it can't get through at all. The diameter of the ring is not big enough. Now whether we want to go around on the right or go around from the left, the design of the long iron ring in the middle firmly blocks the way. Seeing this, can you think of any other routes? I have to admire the wisdom of the ancients, designing such a mind-blowing toy. It is said that many talented people at that time racked their brains for this. So far, no more than 6 people in the country have been able to take it out. So how do you get the ring out? Now I will demonstrate the correct solution to you. First, let the ring pass through the small hole on the right. Go through the long gap in the middle at an oblique angle. Keep moving up. Circle half a circle to reach the left position, and then lift up the chain. Place it on the outside with the top ring. Here comes the key. Don't blink. Let the circle pan to the right here. Flip one side through the small hole. Let the ring go from top to bottom into the long gap. You see, successfully removed. Can you give me a hand at this point?
Incredible. This is actually a toy invented by ancient people. It was specifically designed for children to develop their brains and active thinking. It's called a gold grinding buckle. The gameplay is to separate these two inseparable S. Through observation, both SCOs have a notch. If you push and pull directly through the gap without thinking, the gap is too small, can't get out at all. Let's think differently. Push this sharp corner from top to bottom through the notch. Do you think you are about to succeed? No, you've actually reached another dead end. The wisdom of the ancients has to be admirable. Simple structure. His gameplay is so ingenious. So let's bring it back to square one. In fact, this S interface that condenses the wisdom of the ancients. The test is whether we are flexible when we encounter things. And do you often do reverse thinking training? Pay attention next. All right, let me show you. Keep the left hand's buckle still. The S buckle on the right hand is flipped 180 degrees counterclockwise. The sharp corner of the S buckle on the right passes through the gap and comes down. Finally, the left spelling is separated. How about it? Praise the wisdom of the ancients.